You can be fined about 200,000 Ghana cedis for disturbing the peace of the public. Anytime you are out there making noise, loud noise, insulting, fighting, quarreling, all this causes the disturbance of the public, and it is an offense. When you check section 298 of the Criminal Offences Act, it makes provision for this following. So when you are out there, make sure you are careful. Please be safe.